Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the ANCEL all-in-one diagnostic platform. This awesome device connects to your OBD2 sensor using this nice tablet and holding platform to view any error codes, clear diagnostic codes. It's the ANCEL V5BT Gaso Professional Diagnostic Tool. Fantastic device. Let's get it unboxed, hook it up to some cars, and see what it can do. What we got in here. Nice. We got a real nice carrying case. I love it when these products come with carrying cases. Very nice. Rugged. Feels good. Alright, let's get it unzipped here. Ooh, okay. Let's see what's under the hood. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Look at that. Touch screen. Power button, USB port, micro SD slot, and USB-C. Great. Love it. It's got everything that I want. No micro USB. You got USB-C, micro USB, and power button. We'll see. If it powers on now, we'll probably have to charge it. Yep, it's powering on right now. Cool. While it's powering on, let's take a look. Oh, you even got a stand here where you can let it stand up. Great. Nice and rugged. Just get everything up out of there. First things first. Okay, we got our charging brick, USB-C. Cool. This looks like some type of holding mount, most likely. This is our OBD2 reader. Nice. It goes right into your port in your car. And I'm guessing it probably communicates with the device through Bluetooth. We'll set that up in a little bit. USB-C cable, and then our user manual. It looks very easy to read and very easy to set up, which is great. Okay, let's see what we got on the screen here. The account has not been logged in and activated. Please complete the login and activation first. Okay, well, we'll do that later. Let's just take a look at the device. You have a diagnostic button. You got good sound with it. Europe, America, Asia, China, Australia. Wow, definitely like the sounds. Everything is clear. You have your hot functions, ABS bleeding, EBS throttle, injectors, ASF battery, oil reset. Wow. Great device so far. DCT query. You can get fault codes and the descriptions of what they are. You can update the device, data manager, feedback, and then let's check our settings. Diagnostic, unit, search engine, system info. I just like that you can actually search. That is so cool. System info, report title, version update, and systems. Okay, great device. Okay, so now what I'll do is go through the setup of this device, and then we'll get it hooked into a car. We'll be right back. Right before I do the setup, let's keep the device plugged in. Even though I got a full charge, I'm going to be playing with this for a while. So you can see you can just go right through the top there, plug in just like so, plug the other end to a charging cable, and then the device will charge. Okay, now we're going to go through the setup, which is going to be logging into the device, and your password will be inside of this little envelope here, so do not lose this. That's your password. And also we can connect the device to our Wi-Fi network, so you can connect to the search engines like Google and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and just get logged in. Okay, now we're just going to log in. You can see there's our username, and then the password is already preloaded. Once again, the password is also on here. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and just add a network. After putting in your password, just go ahead and connect. All right, looks like we're connected fine. Let's go back, try to log in again. Okay, we'll register and activate. Here, you'll just enter in your information. Okay, then we activate. Okay, activation link has been sent to the mailbox. Now what I'll do is go ahead and go to my mailbox, click the link, and I'll come right back. Okay, now that I clicked the link, we should be able to log in. Perfect. And we have a new version, so let's go ahead and do the update. Download. This is really cool. You can download the updates directly from the device. So now we've logged in, we are connected, we've activated our account, we have our Wi-Fi connected, and then as soon as this downloads, we'll download and we should be done after that. And let's install. App installed, open, or even perfect. All right, now that the update's complete, you can go ahead and download the data for your vehicle, or just common data. So we're going to download the common data, but you, like say you have a Ford, you can click on Ford's data, Chrysler, Honda, Isuzu, Mazda, Nissan, Mitsubishi. We'll also do the ODB D2. You can read the VIN code. So you can just find, we'll do Toyota because I have a Toyota truck that I can test as well. So when you have all those selected, you can just go ahead and then hit download and download those like those common datas or those vehicle models right into the system, and it shows right down there. While that's downloading, just wanted to let you know that if you need more space, you can buy a micro SD card to throw that in for up to, I believe, 32 gigabytes of additional space. So that's great. So if you're a mechanic that has a lot of these and you want to have every single one downloaded, all the functions, you might want to buy a micro SD card. Okay, we're going to put the little bracket on. This holds the ODB2 reader. It'll go right over the top. Comes with the included screws. And you just use a little star screw, one of these little bits. Just like that. Bam. Okay, we got this Toyota 4Runner here that we're going to go ahead and try and get connected here to our device. Okay, don't mind the dirty car. We're just gonna go and find our port, which is right up top there, and then plug this baby in. Right like so. Okay, there we go. And we got a little light there showing. Perfect. All right, now we're in the car. We're just gonna turn the ignition. I'm not gonna start it, I'm just gonna get it where I know that everything is powered on. All right, now that we have everything connected, what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and select your brand name of your car, truck, SUV. I have a Toyota, so I'm just going to go ahead and select Toyota. And then what you're going to do is allow the device to connect to your ECU or computer. And then when that's done, you have the option to run a vehicle auto scan, or you can run a vehicle manual scan, just to either auto or manually select the items that you would like to scan. And I'm going to go ahead and do the auto scan, and while that's running, I'm going to tell you the features, which is bidirectional control, comprehensive diagnostic coverage, Bluetooth connectivity, live data streaming, diagnostic trouble code reading and clearing, graphical capability, and multi-language support, as well as ABS bleeding, BMS reset, EPB reset, injector coding, oil reset, TPMS reset, throttle reset, and I'm not lying to you guys, much more. I'm telling you, this device was perfect gift for your father or mother or somebody who's a amateur mechanic or a real mechanic. They will love this device. It gives you everything you need. You're looking at the screen here, and I'm getting codes that I didn't even know my car had because the engine check light was not on. But that doesn't mean that there aren't hidden codes underneath the hood, if you know what I mean. So I had my tire pressure monitor sensor was going off, and the light in my car was broke, so I didn't even know about that. So I need to get that fixed, and this device can help me do that. You can see here I'm just going through some of the trouble codes that are present, and like I said earlier, you can actually clear these trouble codes. You can view them. You can even get solutions online as to how to fix these codes. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. That was the ANCEL V5BT Bidirectional Scan Tool. 2024 full systems OBD2 scanner, wireless car scanner as well, diagnostic tool with active test over 15 resets. Great product. Like I said, if you're an amateur mechanic or a real one, you want this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.